Hello everyone, I am Sai Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Wise Engineering College. Today I am going to explain the concept of integration and shortcut methods. So in this section, first of all we have to know the integration is classified into two types. That is finite integration, definite integration. So finite integration means suppose the integration term is in the form of integral x dx. So this type of form is called finite integration. So definite integration, coming to the definite integration, so the integration having the limits, suppose integration a to b, integral a to b x dx. So this type of integration is called definite integration. Now today I am going to explain some shortcut methods regarding this definite integral form. Let us see. Suppose the given integral is in the form of integral a to b 1 by square root of x minus a into b minus x dx is equal to, suppose the integration is in the form of rational. So rational means 1 by square root of x minus a into b minus x, numerator terms and denominator terms. And observe one thing here, the integration is the definite integration because of the integration having the limits. So here a is the lower limit of the integration and b becomes the upper limit of the integration. So whenever the integration is in the form, then the direct shortcut method gives the result as a pi. Pi is the answer. So this condition is only applicable whenever the b value is greater than a. Otherwise it is not suitable for this condition. So here the b is nothing but the upper limit and a is the lower limit, and the same b is placed in the denominator and the same a is placed in the denominator terms. So this form is suitable for only the rational form and definite integral form. So suppose the same term is in the form of normal, that is integral a to b square root of x minus a of b minus x dx. So whenever the integration is in the form, then the result becomes pi by 8 b minus a whole square. Here also the result is applicable whenever the b value is greater than a. So these are the two different forms we are having, two different forms to solve the definite integrals. So integral a to b is the definite integral form. Now let us see some problems regarding this concept. Now see the first problem. Integral 3 to 7 1 by square root of x minus 3 of 7 minus x dx. So here it is the definite integral, and this form is suitable for our shortcut method 1. So here it is the x minus a and here it is the b minus x, and the lower limit is the 3 and upper limit is the 7. That means a becomes 3 and b becomes 7. So compare first of all we have to comparing the b and a. Here b is greater than a, that is 7 is greater than 3. So our shortcut method is 100% successfully suitable for this format. So now directly we can substitute the result. So whenever the definite integral is in the form, that means rational form, the result becomes pi. So we have to check the condition. If the condition is satisfied, then directly substitute the result as the answer. So coming to the next one, integral minus 1 to 2 1 by square root of 2 minus x of 1 plus x dx. Here the a value is the minus 1 and b is the 2. So 2 is always greater than the minus 1. So hence the result is also same, that is pi. Now coming the third one. Here it is the integral 10 to 42 square root of x minus 10 42 minus x dx. So here also the b value is greater than a value, that is 42 is greater than 10. So but here it is not the rational form. So there is a formula for this format, that is the pi by 8 b minus a whole square, pi by 8 into b minus a whole square. So that is equal to substitute the b and a values in the result. So pi by 8 of b minus a. So 42 minus 10, that is the 32 whole square. So 32 whole square I can written as 32 into 32. So 4 times cancel each other. Finally the result becomes 128 pi. Now coming to the fourth one. So integral minus 1 to 2 square root of 2 minus x into x plus 1 dx. So here first of all I have to check it is whether it is the definite integral or finite integral. So here it is the definite integral, and we have to next step is check a and b values. So here b is always greater than the a. So coming to the format, here this is the a minus x, and the format the original format is b minus x, but here is the b plus x. Now we have to change the format like integral minus 1 to 2 integral square root of 2 minus x of, so we have to change the plus as a minus symbol. So for that purpose I can written this is as a x minus of minus 1 of dx. So here this is the integral a to b, a minus x, x minus b dx. Here the b value is minus 1, here it is also okay. So just change the terms. So finally we get the answer like pi by 8 b minus a whole square. So 2 minus of minus 1 plus, so 3 whole square, that is 9 pi by 8. So this is the another problem. So this is for your practice, and mention your answer on the comment box. So the problem is integral minus 7 to 20 square root of x plus 7 of 20 minus x dx. So by using the first shortcut method we can easily get the answer for this question. So mention your answer on the comment box. Now see the another shortcut method regarding this definite integral format. Now see the another shortcut method, that is the method 2. In this method we have to learn the definite integral format. Suppose the integration is in the form of integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx is equal to, suppose the integration is in the form of integral 0 to pi by 2. So 0 is the lower limit, pi by 2 is the upper limit. So this is the rational form. The rational form is in the form of 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Here the a value and the b value are the lower are the constants. A and b values are the constants. So then the result becomes pi by 2ab. Pi by 2ab. Just substitute a and b values in the result. So now see some problems regarding this method 2. Now see the problems of this concept, that is integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 25 cos square x plus 16 sin square x. So observe the format, this is suitable for the method 2. So here integration, definite integration, the limits are 0 to pi by 2 and the format is in the form of rational. So here a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. So a square means here it is the 25. So square root of 25 is the 5 and square root of 16 is the 4. So our result is pi by 2ab. So that is equal to pi by 2 into here the a square is in the form is in the place of a square. This is the 25. So a square is equal to 25. That implies a is equal to 5. So in the place of b square, here it is the 16. So b square is equal to 16. Then b is equal to 4. So here the result is pi by 2ab. So pi by 2 into the value of a is 5 and the value of b is 4. So that is equal to pi by 40. So this is the our answer. Now see the another question. Integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by 49 sin square x plus 11 cos square x dx. So here it is also same format. A square cos square x plus b square sin square x. So pi by 2ab, that implies that is equal to pi by 2 into here the value of a is root 11 into the value of b is so here it is the b square. The b means square root of 49 is the 7. So the value of b is 7. So that is equal to pi by 14 root 11. This is the our answer. Now see the another question. So integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by 36 cos square x plus 4 sin square x dx is equal to. Here it is also the a square value 36. So the a value is becomes 6. Here it is the b square value is 4. The value of b is 2. So pi by 2 into the value of a is 6 and the value of b is 2. So that is equal to pi by 24. So this is our result. So this is for your practice. Do practice at your home and mention the answer in the comment box. Now see the another shortcut method regarding the definite integral. So the problem of the fourth problem is integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by 121 cos square x plus 64 sin square x dx. So mention your answer in the comment box. Now see the another shortcut method, that is the method 3. So in this method we also learn the another format of the definite integration. Suppose the integration is in the form of integral a to b f of x by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x is equal to dx is equal to. So here integral a to b represents the definite integration and here it is the format. So in this format there are the two functions, that is the f of x function and f of a plus b minus x function. So here f of x function is the whatever the function, either trigonometric function sin x or logarithmic function log x, whatever the function or normal x. So any function is to be at the f of x place. So whenever this format is occurred in our problem, so the result of this format is 1 by 2 b minus a. Now see the examples regarding this method 3. So this is our first problem, that is integration 0 to pi by 2 2 power sin x by 2 power sin x plus 2 power cos x dx is equal to. So here it is the definite integration and the format is in the form of different functions. Here the trigonometry functions are included in this format. So now identify the, first of all we have to identify the two functions, that is the f of x and f of a plus b minus x. So here f of x function is obviously 2 power sin x, because of here the 2 power sin x is in the numerator term and thus 2 power sin x is also available in the denominator term. So compare this format with our method 3. So the method 3 represents the f of x by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x. So it contains the two functions, that is f of x and f of a plus b minus x. So here the f of x function is the 2 power sin x. Here it is also the 2 power sin x. Hence the f of x is the 2 power sin x. Now coming to the f of a plus b minus x. So the f of a plus b minus x is the f of a plus b. So here the value of a is 0 and the value of b is pi by 2. Here a and b represents the lower limit and upper limit. So pi by 2 plus 0, that is pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x. So f of pi by 2 minus x. So f of pi by 2 minus x means here the f of x is the 2 power sin x. F of x is the 2 power sin x. F of pi by 2 minus x becomes the 2 power sin pi by 2 minus x. 2 power sin pi by 2 minus x, because of f of x is equal to 2 power sin x. So here it is the x, that's why here it is also the x. So here f of pi by 2 minus x, here it is the pi by 2 minus x, here it is also the pi by 2 minus x. So we know that 2 power sin pi by 2 minus x is the 2 power cos x. 2 power cos x. So hence the f of a plus b minus x is the 2 power cos x. So the same format is available in the denominator. Hence the format is suitable for our method 3. So no need to check. So directly we can get the result by substituting the b and a values. So the result is 1 by 2 of b minus a. So hence the result of this problem is 1 by 2 b minus a. Here b is the pi by 2 minus a is the 0. So here it is, the answer is pi by 4. That's it. Now see the another question regarding this concept. Now see the second question, integral 1 to 2 root x by square root of 3 minus x plus square root of x dx is equal to. So here it is the definite integration and the lower limit value is the a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. Now let's check the functions. The functions whether it is suitable for the format or not. So here we are having the two functions, that is f of x and f of a plus b minus x. Here the f of x is the f of x function must be in the numerator and as well as denominator. So the numerator is the root x and denominator is also the root x. So hence the f of x is equal to root x. Now let us check this square root of 3 minus x is suitable for f of a plus b minus x or not. So f of a plus b means f of 3 minus x. So a plus b means 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3 minus x. So f of 3 minus x. So f of x is the root x. F of 3 minus x is the root 3 minus x. So the same function is available in our denominator term. Hence the format is suitable for our method 3. So the result of the problem is 1 by 2 b minus a. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Here b is the 2 minus a is the 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2. This is the result of the second question. Now see the another question regarding this method 3. So this is our third problem, that is integral 0 to pi e power cos x by e power cos x plus e power minus cos x dx. So this is the definite integration of the limits a is equal to 0, lower limit a is equal to 0 and upper limit b is equal to pi. Now the function f of x is becomes e power cos x, because of e power cos x is the numerator term and e power cos x is also in the denominator term, then f of x is equal to e power cos x. Now let us check f of a plus b minus x. So f of a plus b, so 0 plus pi, that is pi minus x. So f of pi minus x, we know that f of x is the e power cos x. F of pi minus x is the e power cos pi minus x. So e power cos pi minus x is becomes e power minus cos x. So f of a plus b minus x, that is equal to e power minus cos x, is suitable for the denominator also. So directly we can substitute the result in for this format, that is of b minus a. So here that is equal to of b is the pi, a is the 0, that is pi by 2. So directly we get the answer for this question. So friends, do more practice at your home. Meet you soon. Stay tuned. Thank you everyone.